Yeah, chemistry beyond the notes. Metals shine when the light turns on, silver bright and copper strong. Mellow shapes bend smooth and slow, ductile wires stretch like flow. Hard and solid, steady and bold, conducting heat that never gets old. Sonorous sound when the hammer strikes, echoes travel sharp and precise. Not everything that shines is the same. Every element has its name. Beyond the notes, beyond the lines, chemistry lives in space and time. Metals bright and non-metals light, differences make the world feel right. Beyond the notes, the chapter speaks, properties strong and concepts deep. Simple things that science wrote, but meaning lies beyond the notes. Soft with a gentle side, mostly gases, quiet pride. Brittle touch and dull display, but useful still in their own way. Carbon hard like diamond stone, graphite writes every word we know. Sulfur yellow iodine shines, patterns fall in design lines. Different forms, but one same rule. Nature teaches better than school. Beyond the notes, beyond the lines, chemistry lives in space and time. Metals bright and non-metals light, differences make the world feel right. Beyond the notes, the chapter speaks, properties strong and concepts deep. Simple things that science wrote, but meaning lies beyond the notes. Reaction starts when elements meet. Hydrogen bubbles rise so sweet. Oxides form basic or mixed. Acids, water, everything fits. Some react fast, some stay slow. Reactivity series sets the flow. Beyond the notes, beyond the lines, everything connects in perfect design. Metals strong and non-metals light, together they make the world just right. Chemistry beyond the notes.